Hi guys, it's me again, Miranda, and in today's video, I will guide you on how to make your flight reservation with Emirates. You can do this as well with Qatar Airways, or you can also get your flight reservation with travel agencies. But before anything else guys, if you haven't subscribed yet in my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to include the notification bell to get updates on my next video. So, let's start! To book a flight, you can proceed to emirates.com, and then from there, you have here the option to book money. So since we are booking a flight, we go here, emirates.com, and then below will be departure airport and arrival airport. Now for example, you're traveling from Cebu. You can see here Cebu or Mactan Cebu International Airport, the name of the airport in Cebu. And since I'm going to Zurich, here's Zurich Kloten Airport. For example, I am departing on January 3 and then coming back, returning on January 24. So here you can choose the number of passengers. Since I'm traveling alone, so one adult, you can add here if you're traveling as a group, with a child or with an infant. Infant will be under 2 years old, and then child will be from 2 years old until 11 years old, and adult will be from 12 up. The next one you can find here, the cabin class. For cabin class guys, it will be economy, premium economy, business class, and first class. So we go for economy. And then search flight. In this page, you can find the options, flight options. But before anything else, since I am a Filipino, I would like to know the conversion. The price here is showing in US dollars. We have here the currency converter, so I can change it to, for example, Philippine peso. Here. So approximately, it will cost me around 74,849.33 pesos. Now below, we can also find here the flight options. We have option 1 and option 2. This is for Tuesday, January 3, from Cebu to Zurich. Now to know the flight details, you can find here this one. Just click this, then it will show the entire flight details. So from Cebu to Zurich, the total travel will be 26 hours and 20 minutes. So here you can find 17:05, which shows the local time in Cebu, which is 5:05 in the afternoon. Travel time to Dubai will be 12 hours and 5 minutes. Arrival in Dubai, which is 1:10 in the morning, Dubai time. If you see this sign +1, meaning guys, you will arrive in Dubai January 4. It's 1 day plus. And then connection in Dubai will be 7 hours and 15 minutes. You can see it here. So since it shows here +1, technically it's going to be January 4. So Dubai to Zurich, which is January 4. Departing from Dubai, it's 8:25 in the morning. And then the flying time from Dubai to Zurich will be 7 hours non-stop. So you will arrive in Zurich at 12:25 12:25 noon. The other option will be here. Total travel time will be 33 hours 45 minutes. If you click this one, it will show here departure in Cebu, January 3, 1705, 12 hours flight from Cebu to Dubai, arrival in Dubai which is 1:10 in the morning plus 1, so that would be January 4 already. So from Dubai to Zurich will be a later flight, 15:55 or 3:55 in the afternoon. Arrival in Zurich will be 19:50, which is January 4 na, and 7:50 in the evening. Connection duration in Dubai will be 14 hours 45 minutes. So as you can see here, there are two options. Normally I take the one with a shorter connection, which is 26 hours 20 minutes. And then if you choose this one, you can just click here. There are options with the corresponding restrictions. If you see saver, you have your 25 kilos check-in baggage. For cabin baggage, it's 1 piece 7 kilos. With flex, you have here 30 kilos. And for cabin baggage, it's 1 piece 7 kilos. With flex plus, it has more baggage allowance, 35 kilos, the same hand carry, which is 1 piece 7 kilos. You also have to check this one, change fee and refund fee. If you go for the cheapest fare, of course, change fee and refund fee will be restricted. Choose this one. And then the next one is your return flight from Zurich to Cebu. There's only one flight available. So if you want to know the connection or the flight details, just check this one again. Zurich to Dubai, departing from Zurich, it's 9:55 or 21:55. Flying time from Zurich to Dubai will be 6 hours and 15 minutes non-stop. Arriving in Dubai, since it's +1, it's gonna be January 25, 7:10 in the morning. And then you have a connection in Dubai, and the time that you have to wait for your next flight will be 19 hours and 35 minutes. Departure from Dubai will be 2:45 in the morning. Flying time from Dubai to Cebu will be 8 hours and 15 minutes non-stop. Choose this one, and again there will be option saver, flex, and flex plus. So as you can see, they all have their restrictions. Let's go for flex plus. So here we go. So these are the flights that you chose from Cebu to Zurich and then Zurich to Cebu. You can also check here the summary and the fare, the total cost of the round-trip flight. And then continue to passengers. In this page, you have to fill out the details. Here for the title, you have your option for male, female, infant, and undisclosed. If you don't want to have like gender, so I'll choose Miss, and then my name, me, last name would be Miranda. Since I'm not a frequent flyer with Emirates, I don't have the frequent flyer program, I'm not enrolled, so save and next. From here, contact details will be from Philippines, so +63 and number 917, for example. Email address, me, Maya Miranda 057 @gmail.com. So continue to options. On this page, you will find here the option to upgrade your flight to business class from Cebu to Zurich, Zurich to Cebu, or the entire trip. Just choose which one you want and click from here. These rates will be added to the final price. You can also choose the seats if you want to go for emergency exit or specific seat. And you can also add baggage allowance if in case 30 or 25 kilos is not enough. And here, for the baggage, no extra baggage. There's an option here for 5 kilos, it's $75 US, 10 kilos, and so on. The same with the Zurich to Cebu. So, continue to payments. Here, you will be directed to your flight details, final review for the flights, check dates, the arrival time in Zurich. Make sure that your arrival time corresponds to your visa validity start. For example, if your visa starts at January 24, you can depart at Cebu or Manila January 3 as long as your arrival in Switzerland will be the start of your visa validity. So we also have here your return flight. Here, January 24, you can still click this one to check the flight details. So here guys, you can find the payment options. You can pay in full. You have here cash plus miles if you're a frequent flyer. And the other one is if you need more time to decide, you cannot decide yet if that will be the flight that you will take, you can hold your fare for 72 hours. Now, if you want to do this, you will be asked to pay $30 US. Just input here your credit card details or debit card, and then after which you will receive the flight reservation. Or if you have finalized the flight, you can just pay it in full. And then there's also an option here to pay directly with your credit or debit card, pay with PayPal, pay with Western Union. Now, if the first three option is not possible for you, then you have an option to pay your ticket through Emirates ticket office. You must pay for your booking at the local Emirates office in the Philippines or to which country you're from within 47 hours of the booking, or the booking will be cancelled. So for example, we choose this and then click here and purchase now. So that's it guys, your booking is complete with Emirates and you can just proceed to the ticket office, show them your booking reference and they will retrieve your booking from there and you can pay in cash. If in case credit card is available or PayPal, you may also do that through the website emirates.com, and then you just have to input your booking reference in the manage booking and then click pay now. So that would be it guys. If you need assistance, you may contact me through my Facebook page, Miranda. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you next time. Cheers!